Today we're going to be talking about this fabulous, big, beautiful life of her own wig that I'm wearing. Okay, you guys, I have my hair here. So this beauty is from Her Given Hair. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This packaging, by the way, is everything. There's a little booklet in here. It says wig instruction book. So this is a book that just tells you everything you need to know about your wig and how to care for it. So we'll put that aside for now. So this is the wig, guys. So this is actually kind of like the clip-in look that I've been showing you guys. But with this, it's a wig, so you don't have to clip it in, take it out, clip it in, take it out. So this is what the wig looks like. I always like to show you guys what it comes with. So this is a full wig. It comes with an elastic band. It also comes with a comb right here. Comes with one right here and another one here. And then this part is lace. So it's kind of like a lace closure wig. So with this, you can either wear a middle part, you can do a bangs look, you can do a side part, so part it on this side. It's just up to you how you want to wear it. So first, let's try it on. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm gonna take it off and cut the lace. I have my scissors. I'm gonna grab the hair and I'm just gonna cut the lace right here. Okay, the lace is gone. And this, by the way, is adjustable. So you can adjust from here to here to here. So kind of like a bra. So there we go. Gonna put it back on. All right, so now it doesn't look so funny. It looks like it has a part already. So I'm just gonna decide how I wanna wear this. I have been feeling the bangs look lately. So there's a good chance that is how I'm gonna end up wearing it. This is a lace closure. This is where it all started. Everyone used to wear lace closures until frontals came out of nowhere and stole the show. Lace closures, honestly, is easier to wear, especially for those of you guys who don't know how to really apply the glue and this and that. This you can literally just put on and go. You define your part and that is it. You guys, I think I'm gonna wear it as a bangs, y'all. Oh my God. I don't know if I told you guys this, but this is my favorite look just because it's closer to my natural hair. So I'm just gonna take it off and try to do the bangs. I hate to cut it though, but if I am gonna cut it, I don't think I need to cut a lot just because I don't want to ruin it in case I want to wear it, you know, a different way at a different time. Oh my God, this is so full. Look at that. By the way, the wig also has the adjusters right here, so you can make it fit your head even more. So I've adjusted it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. There we go. So before it fit, but now it's just a little tighter, just like I wanted. So I'm almost afraid to put products in it just because I don't want to ruin it. So what I'll do is I'll start with a spray bottle with water in it and see how that goes. Okay, y'all, I have my spray bottle here with some water. I'm gonna set that over there. And then I'm going to, I don't want to cut this hair, y'all. I'm gonna grab my bottle of water and just spray it down. So I'm going to take a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is my leave-in conditioner by Function of Beauty, but it doesn't really matter what kind you use or what brand. I just want something to kind of team the hair a little bit. It's a little more teamed. Wow. Guys, this is so soft. So soft. Look at this. It feels so good. Just from applying a little bit of water and a leave-in conditioner. It's super soft. Oh my God. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the cutting. I don't want to do it. All right. so this right here is what I'm gonna be cutting. So I'm gonna cut it piece by piece. Don't get scissors happy, y'all, because you can ruin your hair that way. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. I'm feeling it. This is absolutely beautiful, y'all. I am in love, love, love. I didn't want to cut it, but I'm glad I did. Okay, family, that is it for the video. I hope you guys loved it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you just want to compliment this beautiful hair, then leave a comment down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the info box for all the details on this hair. If you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another one of my videos. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.